Welcome to another informative Did You Know video. Today we'll explore a powerful feature called Bulk Scheduling Profile and how it allows you to efficiently schedule appointments for multiple technicians and across multiple days. To begin, navigate to a customer's work order. From there, click on the Add Appointments option in the left navigation menu. Among the available options, you'll find the Bulk Scheduler Profile. It's important to note that this profile should be used specifically for scheduling identical appointments for multiple technicians, or when you need to schedule one or more techs for multiple days. If your scheduling requirements differ, please utilize another profile accordingly. Upon selecting the Bulk Scheduler profile, you will be presented with several fields to fill out. Start by choosing the technicians you want to schedule. Next, specify the start and end dates for the appointments. If you're scheduling multiple techs for a single day, set the dates to be the same. In our example, we'll schedule appointments across multiple days. Set the start time and duration for the appointments, and then select the specific days of the week these appointments will span. In our case, we'll choose Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. If you need to add an appointment description, you can do so. Please note that the description will be identical for every appointment created. Once you've filled out the profile, click on the Schedule button. A confirmation modal will appear, summarizing the appointments that will be created based on your settings. This powerful feature significantly speeds up your ability to schedule large jobs efficiently. We hope that utilizing the bulk scheduling profile will enhance your scheduling process and save you valuable time. Thank you for watching this Did You Know video. If you have any further questions or require additional guidance, please don't hesitate to contact our support team.